Blah! They don't call them flavor savers for nothing.
Yeah, brother.
Oh, yeah, baby. You caught the big one with this. Delicious. Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm bringing to you another Wyler's Light TikTok trendy flavor. Which one can it be? Gummy Fin. And what can that be? Gummy Fin is Wyler's Light take on the Swedish Fish. So let's go swim with the fishes. Come on. All right, everybody. First into the pot, 38 grams of gelatin. Oh, I didn't do it. Tried to do it, but I didn't do it. Followed by 77 grams of pure cane sugar. Oh, I need my swirlerizer. Hey, you up there. Can you pass me my stirring fork? There we go. Thank you. Uh-oh, I left my light off. There we go. Better. Next into the pot, 225 grams of corn syrup. Alright, I've got to take out 32 grams because, my bad. Please don't do it. There we go, look at that. So that puts us at 225. Make sure to zero. Next in, 125 grams of applesauce. I'm gonna get another spatula and let's go. This was pre-measured. Let's get rid of that scale. And let's stir it up, baby. Just a simple stir, just to get it mixed up to begin with. Look at that, a brand new package. All right, and here's what that flavor packet looks like. Woo, baby. And we're gonna start with not one, not two, not three, but four. It's close. That's real close. Luckily, I have something for that. Get this darn thing off of there. 27 fish flavoring oil. This stuff tastes just like Swedish fish. And so it's the perfect match for what we've got going on in here. And as you can see, I use it a lot. We're gonna start with 2 squirts. I also make a legitimate knockoff that tastes pretty damn close to the real thing. And I'll probably load that one later on in the year, maybe around the holidays. So we're going to stir it until it's fully combined. My knockoff, I call it fish sauce. And my good friend, I gave him a bunch and he's like, I don't trust it, I'm not trying it. And I was like, dude, it tastes just like Swedish fish. And you know what he told me? I've never had Swedish fish. And I'm just like, what? How, what? Like, it's all over in our stores out here and he's never had it. That was months ago and he still hasn't opened that package. He has opened my Midori. Anyway, let's taste it with our spinning fork, our swirling fork, whatever. Nope, needs more flavor. We're gonna do one more packet. Delicious. And 2 more squirts. 1. Oh, that was all the squirt she could give me. I'll make her splatter. What are you gonna do? Just means I gotta buy more flavors. Darn it. I literally have 230 flavors, and when I run out of one, then I add like 6, 7, 8 more that I don't have. Makes sense in my head anyway. Now let's try it again. Yes, 100%. We're there. It still doesn't have that exact Swedish fish flavor, but it's delicious. It's just missing something. I know what it is. All right, we're gonna allow this to sit for the next 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to bloom, and then we'll put it on the heat. And we can't forget 5 grams of cream of tartar with 3 pinches of malic acid. Hey, we can see it. As well as 2 ounces of liquid coconut oil with 1 level tablespoon scoop of lecithin granules. Bye! I almost fell off the step stool right now. Holy crap. And I'm all alone. I would have needed that little button. Help! I've fallen and I can't get up. That button. Anyway, this has been on the stove for about 8 minutes now, and that oil is ready, so I'm gonna go grab it. And here it is. Bingo! Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that on the screen. Oh, darn it. Alright, so we're gonna stir this for the next 3 to 5 minutes, or however long it takes for that oil to fully incorporate within the batch. The backs? Backwater? I don't know. I've got to finish 2 batches in less than an hour. 2 videos, I should say. Batch from start to finish, if the oil is already ready takes like 15 minutes max for a single batch. But when I record them, each video takes roughly an hour and 15. But I do this for you people. I wasn't going to add any red into it, but looking at it right here, I'm going to add some stuff to it. I'm going to add some red. Be right back. Give it a nice shake. Turn up the volume on the oven. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And always wipe the tip when you're done using it. Because then you have all this and it dries up and makes a nasty crusty bits. And you don't want crusty bits in here. That's enough innuendo. Alright, that's looking better. It's not quite what I want, but I don't want to add too much red, just because I just don't want to add too much red. I'm using a special mold today, one you haven't seen me use, but I've used it a lot. All right, that's looking fully combined, so we're gonna allow this sit till it hits a rolling boil. I'll see you soon. All right, everybody. As you can see down here, we're rocking and rolling. So I'm gonna stir it up to get rid of that foam, which, despite popular belief, you don't want to skim that off to throw it away, because then you're getting rid of strength. If you're making it into an adult gummy, of course. All you gotta do is stir it right back in, and that foam melts and becomes one with the batch again. That's it. Super simple, I promise. Skimming gummies is like that. I'll be right back. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up for about 30 to 45 seconds. And then drop it in. Hey, I got it on there. And stir. Turn up the heat. We want it to roll, baby. We want to get out as much of that excess water as we can. That's important. Also remember, the higher you turn up the temp, the more you want to stir, because it will burn to the bottom of the pot. You don't want that. Neither do I. I'm a jealous man, but the females lie. Not all females. Boil, baby, boil. It smells good. You know, you could do this for the holidays. Like I said, I do the actual legit version of this. Well, my form of legit. Add a little bit of cinnamon and spice, and it's absolutely incredible. Yeah, you see that right there? Boing. That means it's ready. So I gotta get my funnels and set up the pour station. Be right back. Want to see how I pour them into the funnels? I don't think I've ever showed you that. In fact, I have not. Get the angles right here. Scrape it. And there you go. Just like that. And what's better, I didn't pour it all over the center plunger mechanisms like a lot of people think should happen. Just take your time and everything will be all right. I got a little ahead of myself. I didn't put out the fishies. And there we go, everybody. A whole school of fish. I'll see you when it's time to sand them. Bye! little fishy swimming through the big old ocean. Look at that flex. Oh, yeah, baby. You caught the big one with this.